everyone, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I have 2 banana racks that I need to go ahead and harvest. So real quickly, I'm going to do this one and then the second one. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is remove my supports. Now, if you see, I really don't want to just cut them like that, so I'm going to bring down the rack. Okay, so you can see I brought the rack down. Okay, here's the rack. It's turning yellow, and it looks like a squirrel got one of the bananas. So let's go ahead and tackle the other one. Okay, so here I am at the second one. It is way up there. Look how high that is. I can't even get my camera up there. That's like 3 times my height. So you don't want to get on a ladder and go up there. You'll fall and break your head. So I'm going to show you how to bring down a tall Nama ice cream banana the easy way. Okay, so that sucker's way up there. Okay, I gave it a cut. I'm going to try to bring it down easy. Uh-oh. It's going to come down hard, I think. Okay. Well, that worked out good. As you can see, when it came down, I grabbed it, set it down easily. Okay, this rack's a little smaller, but it was up a lot higher, but still the same. It's a good rack. Oh, let's see if I could go ahead and have a little breakfast, even though when I go in the house here in a few minutes, I'm going to have breakfast. I just came outside to cut my grass and feed my chickens and take a look at my crops. So let's see. Smells wonderful. Tastes wonderful. Okay, so hey, I hope you liked my little morning harvest. If you did, give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. So most importantly, come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. Just click on it. It will take you there. You can post your own pictures or request information or help about the progress of your own bananas, all kinds of stuff. Hope to see you there. Okay, so I almost missed this one over here. I went and started doing some pruning, and I just so happened to see these yellow ones on this side. It doesn't show on the other side, so I'm going to harvest it. So this one looks like a light one, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it right off right there. It's a small rack. I can pick it up with my left hand, so quick and easy. And I'll go ahead and cut the rest of that down in a second. Talk to you soon.